Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the battery in your Huawei GT2 smartwatch. This guide will take you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the task efficiently. First, gather your tools. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. It's essential to have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components during the process. Begin by powering off your Huawei GT2. This is crucial to prevent any electrical issues while you work. Once it's off, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the watch. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover of the smartwatch. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the back cover is off, you will see the battery and the internal components of the watch. Next, disconnect the battery from the motherboard. This is usually done by gently lifting the connector with your tweezers. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any delicate parts. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert assistance if needed. Now it's time to remove the old battery. Carefully lift it out of its compartment. If it's stuck, you can use the spudger to gently pry it loose. Once the old battery is out, take a moment to clean the internal area of the watch. Use a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Before inserting the new battery, ensure it matches the specifications of the original. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard, making sure the connection is secure. At this point, you can replace the back cover of the smartwatch. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your smartwatch serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Once the screws are in place, power on your Huawei GT2 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check that the battery is charging and that the watch operates as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, replacing the battery in your Huawei GT2 smartwatch is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can extend the life of your device and enjoy its features for longer. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your battery replacement. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.